Welcome to this short presentation from IngPro Limited, the digital manufacturing specialists. My name is Paul Sefton, Managing Director of IngPro Limited. We have developed a unique digital manufacturing diagnostic tool to help companies understand their current digital status and identify the best opportunities for future improvement. But before we discuss our digital diagnostic tool, we should first consider why is it necessary to go digital. UK manufacturing in particular is suffering from some significant challenges in the near future. Inflation and spiralling costs, shortage of skilled labour and stretched global supply chains. Digital manufacturing can address these issues. Manufacturing is now entering its fourth industrial revolution. This gives us the unique opportunity to connect up assets, to invest in technology, and use the Internet of Things to improve productivity. Given the challenges we face in manufacturing, but also the opportunities presented by Industry 4.0, manufacturing companies should seriously consider going digital. Digital manufacturing can deliver improved productivity, help us reduce lead times, lower working capital and improve cash flow. It can also be used to shorten the time for introduction of new products, help us with mass customization of products, and improve the customer experience and aftermarket services of your business. The first step is to determine where you are on your digital journey. Are you just starting out and currently using generic software and manual systems? Or have you already started to invest in technology, ERP systems, robotics, and connecting up machine tools and other assets? Are you on track to moving into the Internet of Things? In understanding where you are on your digital journey, we need to look at the attributes of the business and the technologies. In our diagnostic tool, we specifically look at automation, connectivity, technology, and your use of data. And where should we look for these attributes? Obviously in our own business and in our own factories. But that is not enough. We also need to look in the whole supply chain, forward to our customers and maybe even our customer's customer, and then down to our suppliers, component suppliers, raw material suppliers, and how we interact with them. Digital manufacturing also gives us the opportunity to incorporate technology into the products we sell so that we can monitor the use of the products and their performance. So how do you know where you are on your digital journey and where will you get the best return on your investment in new digital technologies? The answer to these is delivered by IngPro Limited using our unique digital diagnostic tool. How does the IngPro diagnostic tool work? We will ask you to complete a simple online diagnostic. It takes 15 to 20 minutes. We will then follow this up with an interview, perform our internal analysis, and then present back a detailed report. From the diagnostic and the report, and working with yourselves, we can then produce a route map for your company. This will show future investment opportunities and benefits, phased and prioritized to give you the best return on your investment. IngPro Limited's support doesn't finish at the end of the diagnostic. If you wish, we can carry on and help you implement your new investments and new strategy. We can supply project management, give you additional management capacity, as well as our know-how and experience. Thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation. If you are considering investing in digital manufacturing, you need to first know where you are and where you're going to get the best returns on your investment. The unique digital diagnostic tool from IngPro is an independent tool that will help you understand the position of your business. We are not related to any software companies, and we are not trying to sell you any hardware. This is independent advice to help you get the best results for your business.